Hello America, I'm Neff. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video, we're gonna be trying to reheat and reuse a piece of Kydex that's already been formed. You see the difference? Very nice, not so nice. Super formed, not so formed. So we used 390 degrees on this one, 360 on this one. So we're gonna try and see if we can reheat it and reform it, guys, because Kydex is expensive for just a one-time use. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna be using our 15 by 15 heat press from Vivor. Turn that bad boy on. We're gonna put the 360 on there and see how this thing works. Alright, it's at 360. I'm gonna let this bad boy heat up. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to put this one. As you can see, this is the one we're reforming, not this one. I'm gonna put it on there and hopefully the heat starts flattening it out. I can't guarantee you nothing, but let's see. But as it's heating up, we're gonna hold it here. I'll fast forward all this so you don't have to sit through it and watch. So guys, once that does heat up, I'm gonna be showing you, we're gonna use the swift press to get this bad boy back into another shape. So here is our swift press. Everything is connected. We got the compressor down here. We have the foot switch there. So once we put that bad boy on there, we should be able to reform it. Alrighty guys, so the Kydex is already soft. We are at 326 degrees. We set it for 360, but as you can see, it is starting to get pliable. We'll see. Alright guys, it's been about 5 minutes since we started, but check this out. It's starting to get very pliable. This might work. Put it back in there. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is flattening out. I can still see the shape on there. Whew, it's hot. As you can see, I still got my markings, so it's the same one. Guys, I'm gonna just throw it back in there for a couple more minutes. Alright, let's go for it. Alright guys, we are about to try it out. It flattened a lot, probably like 98%. But here we go. As soon as I hit this here and put it on there, it's gonna start forming. So let's see, this has not been preheated or anything. So let's see what happens. We have about 60 seconds left. I'm gonna pause it and then I will start it again and see what happens. Guys, I didn't let it get hot enough because I was thinking, you know, it's been in there for over probably 3 or 4 minutes, and I didn't want it to disintegrate, but we got pretty good definition. I don't know if y'all can see from there. But once this thing cools off, I will show you guys that, yes, you can reuse Kydex. One quick tip. I got the wrong gloves. It's got these little things here in the tip so you can press play and stop on your phone, and it doesn't work. It leaves it on the Kydex. As you can see, I have a lot of black stuff on there, which is where I touched it while it was still hot. Alrighty guys, so here it is, reformed. As you can see, I still have the same markings on there, just all the way in the bottom now. But guys, from a used piece of Kydex to a reformed piece of Kydex. Here's my other one, so you don't think I'm doing anything different, but here it is. Yes, you can reuse Kydex. Maybe to a certain point, I'm not 100% sure, but I reuse mine. There it is. So guys, before you throw away your scrap pieces of Kydex, try this. And if you want more crazy experiments, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that share. We will be making more videos. Have a blessed one.